So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer, click on it, and then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC, and then once you're on this, you're going to find the drive that you're having a problem with. I've only got one drive here, you may have more drives. It's most likely going to be the drive with the Windows logo on it. However, if it's something else, you want to find that drive. So now once you find the drive that you're having a problem with, you want to take note of the drive letter. For me, it's going to be C:. So just take note of your drive letter. Again, for me, it's going to be C:. Now that I know this, for the second step, I'm going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now I'm going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in chkdsk space, and now our drive letter, for me, it's going to be C:, space, /F. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in Y, and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to start running the scan. Once the scan's completed, it will take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.